a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell y'all. You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Yeah.
So, welcome. Today we are here in the kitchen and I am going to teach you gay boys how to cook. So, what you need first is you need bread. Right, so you get your bread, put it on the counter, yeah, and you move these out the way, of course. You get some barbecue sauce. Then you make a teal sandwich. Then what you gotta do is you gotta open the microwave door. Out pops your teal toasty. So, welcome back. This is the second part of your cooking expertise, man. So, remember children, the way not to hurt yourself when doing these actions is not to stick your fork in the microwave. Just remember not to do that, otherwise that can happen and can lead to fatal things happening in your brain and other parts of your body, children. So just remember not to do that. So, welcome back to your cooking expertise, man. So for the next part of your meal, you're going to have to crack an egg. Now that you've got this bad boy, I'm going to place this in the Benjamin. Then what you got to do is just delicious. Now you've got yourself fried teal. Then you can also put that with some fried teal on toast. Absolutely lovely. So, remember children, when you're doing stuff like this, you may have some very serious injuries. So what you don't want to be doing is, when you're opening the oven to say maybe put a cake in there, or something like that, you do not want to be placing your head in the oven and holding it in there whilst it is on, as this can lead to major faulties in the brain and other systems and may really hurt you when you in later life. So, remember children, don't do that as you may kill yourself. Thank you. So remember, now that you have got your starter, your main course, you now need a drink to go with your main course, or whenever you want. These are very cheap drinks to make. So, what you want to put in first is this Worcestershire sauce. So yeah, just open it. Look at that. Look how lovely that looks. Oh yeah, lovely. So now you've done your Worcestershire sauce, you might want to spice it up a bit with some salt and some papaya. Now that you've got this, you want to use your grilled teal on toast to maybe plonk in a bit there, you know what I'm saying? So you've got a bit of that, bit of that. And you've got a nice baby bell here. There we go. There we go. Got this open, kids. Get this open, kiddos. So you see this baby bell. You take open the wrapping. Open the wrapping. Oh, there we go. Half the baby bell goes in there. That goes into your mouth for dessert. Then you've got the choice putting some English mustard in, but today I will not be doing that as it may hurt me very much. Deliciously crisp and silver skin onions. Oh, lovely. Isn't that looking just delicious? Absolutely wonderful. Now what you need is you need a little splash of milk. How much milk are we putting in here then? Do you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Is that too much?
No, it's fine.
And what you also need is some Coca-Cola. You know, this stuff does get your bubbles flowing. Look at that chocolate milkshake. Look how delicious that looks. Absolutely wonderful. So now what you've got to do is you get out the blood blender.
Do you know what you're doing?
Of course I do.
No, you messed up already.
How have I messed up?
You need to put the actual thing on the end of it.
What thing?
You need to put the whisk.
It is on it. Alright, cool. And then what you're doing is look at this banana smoothie. So now you have got your banana smoothie. You take out your you take out your thing and you put it over here. Then what you got to do? Look at this. Absolutely delicious. Oh.